The moon, hey, the moon, M to the O to the OON, to the M to the OON. I added one more O, moon, moon. The moon is in the sky, but you can only see it in the sky when it's dark out, because the sun, like basically they switch off. Like half the time the sun's like up there fucking owning shit, and then when the sun's like tired or whatever, the moon just like fucking is like whatever. I'll pick up the slack for a little bit, and they worked out a deal together. It works pretty nice. So we got the sun, we got the moon. But we're talking about the moon right now, okay? I'll get to the sun later. But the moon, I was actually wondering when I was thinking about this: is the moon a planet? Because it's a big ass circle rock in the sky. Like, isn't that what a planet is? But no, it's not a planet. Because I remember from uh, chemistry or biology, whenever they teach you about planets and shit in middle school, that there's other moons on other planets. Like Jupiter has like a shit ton of moons and stuff. So if other planets have moons and every moon is a planet, then there's so many fucking planets we're not even gonna be able to keep track. It's gonna be like you're gonna have to come up with such a complicated acronym. You're gonna have to come up with such a weird, long sort of run-on sentence in order to have people remember the first letters of the different planets. So fuck that. Moons aren't planets. They're these big ass rocks. They're near planets, but they chill with the planet. Like they spin around the planet. They hang out with the planet. They're basically like the planet's like entourage. They're just like, yo, what's up? I'm with the Earth. I fucking boys, and I watch his back, and I reflect sunlight from the sun to the Earth, so that we work together, yo. He's like I'm like his wingman. So the moon is like basically the sun's boy who just like does his shit for him, but he gets paid back because he gets like to do all this weird shit that's like trippy. Like he gets to change all these cycles. Like sometimes he's like half full, sometimes he's like you can't even see him. Sometimes he looks like a slice of him. Sometimes it's like a three-quarters thing. Sometimes it's completely full. When it's completely full, crazy shit supposedly happens, according to like superstitious people. I don't know if I buy that, but it looks cool when it's full. And um, yeah, so that's something that people think about the moon. Um, and the other cool thing about the moon is we fucking went there. We fucking landed on the moon. Think about how crazy that shit is. Like mad long ago too. Like we just landed there. We just fucking took a rocket. We just fucking went up in the moon, and that's fucking sweet. And we're the first people to do it. So fuck you, Russia. Suck it. Fucking other countries want to fuck with us, huh? Mexico, you go to the moon. Liberia, you want to see Liberia's fucking NASA program? It's abysmal. You guys suck. We own shit. We went to the moon and we planted a fucking flag on the moon. That shit's badass. I'm pretty sure we played golf there. Golf. That's right. Anyway, that was kind of stupid to play golf there, but I saw a video of it that I hope was true, because otherwise I'm gonna feel stupid, which I would never want to feel stupid. But anyway, paranoid people like think that we didn't go to the moon, but it's like, fuck you. We went to the moon. We send like satellites all over the place. We send fucking rovers to Mars and shit. You don't think we could land on the fucking moon once? You're a fucking asshole. I bet you believe that JFK got killed by aliens and fucking that like everybody's secretly a lizard or something. Anyway, I need to back off of that. It goes through phases, and the phases are important. They help regulate different parts of the world, like the tides get controlled by the moon. The they some people have I've heard that they control women's menstrual cycles, but like I don't buy that. Like why? Just because some fucking rock spinning around, like way the fuck out in space, is like in a certain mood, like your chick's pussy is gonna start bleeding. That seems implausible. And I would like a word with the manager of the institution, of the bureaucracy of people who think that the lunar cycles are making girls have periods, I guess. So, I don't know. If you know anything about how to get in touch with those people, I'd love to speak with those folks. Some great ideas. Um, but it does control the tides, and there's a show called Sailor Moon that was pretty retarded, as I recall. There's Dark Side of the Moon. Come on, fucking Dark Side of the Moon. That's the moon is like gets like carte blanche just for having that album exist in my mind. But I don't know what else about moons. Moons. You can moon people. That's not really the same thing though. That's when you show somebody your ass.